Oop, it's this way. How do people? Oh. What's up, you guys? We are back with another video. And for today's video, I'm sure you guys probably would already know what kind of video this is because it's kind of like all over YouTube right now. But today we're gonna be testing out the ABH and ALYSSA Edwards palette. So, as you guys know, for those who don't know, I did get accepted to the list. Hashtag the list. I got accepted to Anastasia's Beverly Hills PR list, and even though I already had gotten the summer collection recently, they wowed us and surprised us and came out with this launch. So this is launching the 29th of this month on Anastasia Beverly Hills websites, US and UK. Let me get all my notes. Okay, so the palette is going to be launched May 29th this month. 29, that's today's 26. That's in 3 days. 3 days, you guys. It will be live. The palette is going to retail for $45, which is not much compared to their average palettes. Their palettes are about $42, so kind of like pretty much $3 more. I feel like I hear like itching me. So about $3 more. That will be live on their website, and it will be in stores June 6th, if I'm not mistaken. Don't quote me on that. I will leave it down here below for you guys so you guys can see somewhere here the actual launch dates for in-store. And you will be able to receive this beautiful PR package. There's going to be limited quantities on their website. And if you want to purchase everything like individually, let's say you don't really want the palette, but you want the fan, or you want the palette and the fan and the palette and the mirror, I'm going to show you guys everything. The PR box is going to be $115. The fan alone is going to be $15, and the mirror is going to be $25. But I just want to let you guys know that the mirrors are not going to launch on the same day as the rest of the stuff. It won't be launching till June 4th, and that is just because Anastasia said that the shipment for the rest of the mirrors won't arrive till then. So if you want a mirror, just wait till June 4th. They will be on the website. So yeah, let's get to showing you guys this. Oh my gosh, such a huge box. Ah! Okay, so okay. This is the inside of the PR box. It's so pretty. I'm just gonna pull everything out for you guys. I don't want to drop nothing on my desk. This is a huge box for me to be carrying right now. So you get a beast mirror. This is it here. This is what it looks like. It has lips right here. So pretty. I'm gonna be displaying this. I have a whole bunch of mirrors that I use already, and I don't want my son to grab this one because he loves my mirrors, and this one he shall not touch. He shall not put his hands on, you know. Then we have the fan. I don't even know how to like to. Yes. Fan me, let the wind blow through my hair. Okay, so you get this beautiful, huge beast fan as well. And then the star of the show is the palette. This is what it looks like here. I will be posting swatches and everything within the video so you guys can see. I did swatch them and everything like that, just so you guys can see how they look and everything. And this is such a beautiful palette. Look at those colors, very vibrant. And then you got a couple neutral shades, you know, some like neutral browns, let it a little nice shimmer gold. a brown and a black, and then you can also, you know, use like the purples that are more, you know, toned down and not so bright. But that is the palette, and then of course it comes with this little brush. I don't ever use these brushes because they just don't ever work out for me. And then they also came out with a primer. So let me get price for the primer. I believe it's $22. The eye primer is going to come in 2 sizes. This is the full size, which is 15 milliliters, which is 0.5 fluid ounces, and it will retail for $23. And then if you want, you can get a mini size, which is 7 milliliters, and it will retail for $13. It's vegan, water resistant, gluten free, oil free, alcohol free, paraben free. I don't know how to say that. It launches on the US and UK ABH websites the 29th as well. And also the launch is 9 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. So yeah, that is the eyeshadow primer as well. So we're gonna go ahead and pretty much just focus on eyes today. As you guys see, pretty much my face is already done. So I really want to focus on eyes today and make this collection, this palette, the star of the show. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna pretty much take the eyeshadow primer, and I did try this as well on my hand yesterday, and what Nervina said was a little goes a long way, which I highly believe. I would definitely say that it is more of a liquidy consistency compared to the plouise base. Plouise base is very thick and creamy, whereas this one is more of a thinner consistency, which makes it more lightweight and a little bit more runny. And it is in one shade, which is this shade as well. And the reason why it's just one shade is because for palettes like this, that has a lot of color, you want a light base. And the reason why you want a light base is so that when you go ahead and apply the shadows pop out more. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pretty much apply this just how I will apply my plouise base. I'm gonna pat it. And I'm gonna just take my, where is it? I need to hurry up because this does dry down fast. This is my E25 Sigma blending brush. Is it E25? Yeah, E25. So I'm just pretty much blending. So it does dry fast. It's not like completely dry. You do feel like a little bit of a tackiness, which is good because that means that the shadows are going to stick, right? So what I'm gonna do, because just right now I don't want no fallout on my face, I'm gonna go ahead and take some of my Fenty powder in butter. Pour some here in the cap, and we're going to apply Dang, I put a lot on this side. Bake my nose while I'm at it. Okay, so I honestly don't know what kind of look I want to do. To be honest, I don't know. But I do want to take that blue that's in the palette. So I'm going to go ahead and take the shade Dream It, which is this guy here. And I am going to take my Morphe M562 brush. It's a small little blending brush. Okay, so dipping into the palette, there is a little bit of kickback. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there is a little bit of kickback in the palette, which really doesn't bother me, to be honest. Like, I'm not the type of person that it bothers, like when a shadow has kickback, and I'm pretty much, you guys, I'm gonna do my shadows how I do any other time, okay? Any other time. So I'm gonna start from the center. That pigment, you guys. And I'm gonna go more of a rounded shape today. So that's the way it's very, very pigmented. And I believe some of these are pressed pigments. Let me check so I can let you guys know. Okay, it doesn't say in the back of the packaging, but I think it does say it on the carton. So I will let you guys know here which ones are pressed pigments, so you guys know. And I will say this, there's no creasing on the lid either with the primer. With my plouise base, because I know you guys are gonna ask, like, what's the comparison and stuff like that. With the plouise base, I do get creasing after a while, but this one I have no creasing, so I like that. So I've been doing quite a few like little reviews on my channel with like new products and stuff, especially you know, now that I'm like on ABH PR list. I feel like a real booty guru now. I'm a real booty guru now. On the arms, the way it's hot and sweating. I'm gonna go in with is Brick Road. So I want to use this beautiful yellow shade here. And I'm going to take this Makeup Shack T82 brush. And we're going to go ahead and use that. Apply that right there. Now what I want to do is I want to go in with a more smaller pointy pencil brush, and this is the Crown C513 brush, and I'm going to go in with the shade Beast, which is the black that's in the palette, and I want to deepen up that crease. You want to define it. Really deepen it up. Okay, so this is what we have here. This is what we have. And now what we're going to do is we're going to cut the crease. So I'm just going to take a little bit more of that base. Now is I'm gonna take the shade I feel like I'm gonna take the white. I kind of want to do the white, so let's take the white. Liam, get out of my room then. Okay, so I'm gonna take the white and I'm just going to pat it on. Look at that, you guys. shade Texas Made, which is that shade there. I'm going to put her right underneath. Blending her with that black. That yellow shade Brick Road again. We're going to use that to blend out the pink at the bottom. Alright you guys, so this is it. This is the look. This is the look here that I came up with using the ABH X Alyssa Edwards palette. I am living for this. So pretty, so beautiful, and come on. Come on. Let's do that. Yes. Oh my god, you guys, this was so good. Ooh, child. Yeah, that is pretty much it. I really did enjoy the palette. I feel like all the shades blend so beautiful and they're all so pigmented. I am definitely going to continue to play with this palette here. I would say anyone can use this palette, just because there are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's not 7 out of the 14 shades that are in this palette that people can use to create like an everyday neutral type of look. And then obviously if you want that pop of color, boom, bam, you have that color in the palette. So I do think it is suitable for everyone. With the way the shadows are, like as far as the pigmentation and everything, I would say it is definitely suitable for all skin types. My morenitas can definitely rock this palette if they wanted to. So yeah, I would highly recommend it. Remember, it comes out the 29th and it will be in stores on the 6th. So that is pretty much it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I am with my hair out. Look how big it is. I am just living for it, but I am hot as hell with my hair down. So make sure you guys are subscribed if you haven't subscribed already. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment down below. Let me know if you're going to get the palette. Let me know. And your thoughts on the colors and the pigmentation and everything from how I used it. And make sure you guys are following me on Twitter and on Instagram. Those are the only 2 other socials that I am always on, you guys. So see you guys in the next one. Bye.